The Integration Suite is SAP's unified platform for enterprise integration. A collection of tools in SAP BTP for connecting systems. This means it is a set of capabilities that enable different applications, whether on-premise or in the cloud, to communicate and share data seamlessly. For instance, it can link your e-commerce platform with your inventory management system. This ensures your business processes run smoothly and efficiently across various platforms. Helps different applications talk to each other. It connects systems so they can share data automatically. For example, when a sales order is created in SAP, it can instantly notify the logistics system to prepare shipment. This seamless interaction ensures your business processes run smoothly and efficiently. The bullet states, simplifies integration tasks without coding everything from scratch. This means you can connect different applications using pre-built tools instead of writing all the code manually. For example, you could automatically sync customer data between your e-commerce site and your CRM system. This saves significant time and effort for developers. Why use SAP Integration Suite? Connect cloud and on-premise systems easily. This means you can link modern cloud applications with traditional on-premise software without complex coding. For example, connect SAP S/4HANA on-premise with SuccessFactors in the cloud to sync employee data automatically. This seamless connection ensures your business processes flow smoothly across all systems. Automate data exchange between applications. This means you can set up automatic, scheduled transfers of information between your different software systems without manual effort. For instance, automatically sending daily sales data from your e-commerce platform to your accounting software. This automation saves significant time and reduces errors in your business processes. Reduce manual work and errors in integration. This means automating data exchange between systems, eliminating tedious manual entry and the mistakes that come with it. For instance, automatically syncing new customer data from your CRM to your finance system ensures accuracy and saves time. This automation makes your business processes more reliable and efficient. Integration Suite Components Overview. Cloud integration for building integration flows. This component lets you visually design how different applications exchange data. For example, automatically sending new employee details from SuccessFactors to your on-premise payroll system. It is the primary tool for connecting your cloud and on-premise solutions seamlessly. API management for managing and securing APIs. This component allows you to publish, monitor, and protect your application programming interfaces. For instance, a retail company could securely expose its product catalog API to external partners while controlling access and tracking usage. This ensures your digital interfaces remain robust and controlled. Open connectors for connecting to non-SAP applications. This component simplifies connecting your SAP processes to external cloud apps. For instance, you can easily pull shipping status updates from a carrier like FedEx into your SAP system. It provides ready-made connectors to hundreds of non-SAP services, saving significant development time. Integration Advisor for helping design integrations. It provides tools to create standardized data mappings and message structures automatically. For example, when connecting an e-commerce system to SAP, It generates the required XML schemas so orders flow correctly between systems. This simplifies building consistent and reliable integrations. Cloud integration, what it does. Lets you create integration flows between systems. This means you visually design how applications share data automatically. For example, when a sales order is created in SAP S/4HANA, an integration flow can instantly send those details to Salesforce. This seamless connection ensures your business processes work together efficiently without manual effort. Handles data transformation and routing. This means it converts data between different formats and directs it to the correct destination. For instance, it can transform a sales order from JSON into XML and route it to your on-premise SAP ERP system. This ensures your business applications communicate seamlessly. Provides pre-built connectors for common systems. This means SAP BTP includes ready-made links to connect to standard applications like Salesforce or SuccessFactors without custom coding. For example, you could automatically sync customer data between Salesforce and SAP S/4HANA. This saves significant development time and effort. Cloud integration capabilities. Transform data formats between different systems. This means converting data from one system's structure into another system's understandable format. For example, converting a JSON file from a web application into an XML format required by your SAP system. This ensures seamless data exchange across all your connected applications. Route messages to the right destination. This means automatically directing data from its source to the correct receiving application or system. For example, a sales order from an e-commerce site can be routed to your SAP system for fulfillment. This ensures data flows accurately without manual intervention. Handle errors and retry failed operations. This means the system automatically detects failures and attempts to process them again without manual intervention. For example, if a sales order transfer fails due to a temporary network issue, the system will retry sending it after a short delay. This built-in resilience ensures your business processes complete reliably. Monitor integration flows in real time. This means you can instantly see the status and performance of your data exchanges between systems as they happen. For example, watch an order processing flow to confirm each step completes without delays. This immediate visibility ensures your business operations run smoothly and reliably. API Management Overview helps you manage and secure your APIs. This means you can easily control who accesses your services and protect them from misuse. For example, a retail company could limit how often a partner fetches product data. This ensures reliable and safe API operations for all users. Controls who can access your APIs. This means you can restrict API usage to authorized users, applications, or partners only. For example, an external logistics partner's system would be granted access, while unauthorized requests are blocked. This ensures your digital assets and data remain secure and are only used as intended. Monitors API usage and performance. This means it tracks how often your APIs are called and how quickly they respond. For example, if a sales API slows down during peak hours, you can identify and fix the bottleneck. This ensures your digital services remain reliable and efficient for users. Provides developer portal for API consumers. This means API users get a self-service website to discover, test, and subscribe to your APIs. For example, a partner company can visit the portal to find and use your product catalog API. This portal centralizes all API access and documentation, simplifying the entire consumption process for developers. When to use API management? When you need to expose services to external partners. This means securely sharing your internal business functions, like order processing, with outside companies. For example, a manufacturer could allow retail partners to directly check product availability through a controlled API. This enables seamless and secure business collaboration. When you need to control API access and security. This means managing who can call your APIs and how securely they do so. For example, a retail company could restrict inventory APIs to only their trusted logistics partners. This ensures sensitive business operations remain protected and reliable. When you want to monitor how your APIs are being used. This means tracking who calls your APIs, how often, and whether they succeed. For example, an e-commerce site monitors its product API to see traffic spikes during sales. This visibility helps optimize performance and plan capacity effectively. When you need a developer portal for API documentation. This means creating a central hub where developers can easily find, learn about, and use your available APIs. For example, a retail company can publish its product catalog API there so mobile app developers can quickly integrate it. This portal streamlines collaboration and accelerates development by making APIs discoverable and understandable. Integration flow building blocks. Sender, where the message comes from. This is the starting point of your integration flow, the system or application that initiates and dispatches a message. For example, when an online store sends a new customer order, that store system is the sender. It is the origin point that triggers the entire integration process. Receiver, where the message goes to. This is the destination system or application that receives the processed message from your integration flow. For example, after processing an order in SAP S/4HANA, the receiver could be a Salesforce system that gets the customer update. It is the final stop for your messages journey. Message mapping transforms data format. This means it converts data from one structure to another, like translating languages between systems. For example, converting a customer's JSO address from a web store into an XML format for SAP. This ensures seamless data exchange across different applications. Routing decides where to send messages. In simple terms, it is like a traffic director that examines a message and chooses the correct path for it. For example, an order from a high-priority customer could be routed to a fast-track processing queue. This decision-making is essential for guiding data through your integration. Available connectors and adapters for enterprise integration. SAP systems, S/4HANA, SuccessFactors, etc. These connectors enable seamless integration between SAP BTP and your core SAP applications, allowing secure data exchange. For example, automatically syncing employee data from SuccessFactors to S/4HANA for payroll processing. This ensures your key business systems work together efficiently and reliably. Common protocols: HTTP, SFTP, SOAP, REST. These are standard communication methods that allow your applications to talk to other systems. For example, using REST, your BTP app can fetch live weather data from a public API. Mastering these protocols is essential for seamless system integration. Cloud applications: Salesforce, Workday, etc. This means SAP BTP provides ready-made connectors to link with popular external cloud platforms. For example, you can automatically sync new employee data from Workday into SAP SuccessFactors. This seamless integration accelerates your business processes and enhances data consistency across systems. Database systems like Oracle, SQL Server, etc. This means SAP BTP provides pre-built connectors to link your cloud applications directly with these on-premise or cloud databases. For example, a retail company can use this to sync real-time inventory data from their on-premise SQL Server to a cloud application. This seamless integration ensures your data flows reliably across your entire business landscape. Accessing the SAP Integration Suite. Log into SAP BTP Cockpit. This means going to the SAP Business Technology Platform website and signing in with your user credentials. For example, an employee at a retail company enters their username and password to access the platform's services. This initial step is essential to begin using the Integration Suite. Navigate to your sub-account. This means logging into SAP BTP Cockpit and selecting the specific workspace your company uses. For example, if you are part of the sales team account, you would click on that name. This is your first essential step to begin working with the Integration Suite. Click on Services in the left menu. This opens a directory of all available services in SAP BTP. For instance, a developer needing to automate data sync between systems would select Integration Suite from here to begin. This straightforward step is your gateway to all integration tools. Find Integration Suite in the Service Catalog. This means locating and selecting it from the main list of available services in SAP BTP. For example, a developer needing to connect to apps would first search the catalog to access Integration Suite. This straightforward step is your starting point for all integration tasks. Integration Suite in action, a simple example. Employee data from HR system to payroll system. This means automatically transferring new hire details, salary changes, or department moves. For instance, when an employee gets a promotion, their new title and salary are seamlessly sent for correct payment processing. This automation ensures payroll is always accurate and up to date. Sales orders from e-commerce to ERP system. This means automatically transferring new online purchase details into your central business management software. For instance, when a customer buys a laptop on your website, that order is instantly sent to your SAP's ERP system for processing and fulfillment. This seamless flow ensures your business operations are always up to date. Customer updates from CRM to marketing system. This means automatically syncing client information between systems. For instance, when a salesperson updates a customer's phone number in the CRM, it is instantly reflected in the marketing platform. This ensures marketing always uses the latest, most accurate customer data. Essential tips to begin your journey. Start with one simple integration scenario. This means choosing a basic connection between two systems, like SAP and a non-SAP application, to learn the fundamentals without complexity. For example, sync customer master data from your SAP S/4HANA system to a Salesforce CRM. Mastering this first step builds a solid foundation for more advanced projects. Use pre-built templates when available. This means starting with ready-made solutions instead of building everything from scratch. For instance, use the SAP Work Zone template to quickly set up a company portal instead of coding it yourself. This approach saves significant time and effort, allowing you to focus on customization and getting your project live faster. Test your integration flows thoroughly. This means verifying all data exchanges and error handling work as expected before going live. For instance, simulate sending various customer order formats from your e-commerce site to SAP S/4HANA to ensure each processes correctly. This careful testing prevents costly disruptions and ensures smooth business operations. Monitor performance and adjust as needed. This means continuously checking your BTP applications to ensure they run smoothly and efficiently. For example, if your app is slow during peak hours, you might increase memory allocation. Consistently doing this helps maintain optimal performance and user satisfaction.